Pete Hutchison. I'm here with the Bike Collective. We're here in Urbandale and we're doing a bike collection today on Saturday. We started at 8 this morning and this is just kind of half of what we've gotten so far. And all these bikes will go down to the Des Moines Bike Collective and they will all be reconditioned, refurbished, those that can be. The others will be recycled and they'll take the parts, etc. But all these bikes then will get reconditioned and reused and either put up for sale on the Bike Collective storefront or donated to lots of different programs. Habitat Humanity has lots of underprivileged kids that will get bikes through this. Homeless people can get these bikes. So there's a lot of ways that these bikes get repurposed and sent back into the community. So it's been really a great program. We've done this for the last 6-7 years, something like that, and every year we've collected at least a couple truckloads of bikes that go down and go through the process and get recycled and then back into the community for those underprivileged and people who really need a bike and aren't able to afford one.